Hi, it's Corey Chambers in Los Angeles with the LA Loft blog. Happy to be your real estate broker. Let's see if we could find CoreyChambers.com for you. There we are. If you see any properties that are of interest to you, let us know. We'll gladly send you a property information packet on any loft, condo, or house, or private preview is available upon request. If you have a home you'd like to sell, you should know that I will guarantee the sale of your present home at a price acceptable to you, or I'll buy it for cash. This guarantee will allow you to buy your next home without worrying about selling your present home. To find out how much you could sell your home for, call me at 213-880-9910 now. Here we have it for you, the Los Angeles Loft Tour videos. Walk through videos of lofts, condos, apartments, and houses with character in downtown and the greater LA area. Tour more than 125 apartment, loft, and condo units in 60 different buildings. Enjoy the videos. Here's the list. Take a look. I'll name some of the most popular ones. 939 Lofts has a lot going on there right now. 1100 Wilshire is a fantastic building. Alta Lofts is the home of the LA Loft blog where I live and work. Barker Block. People have been asking about Barker Block recently. Barn Lofts is certainly quite notable. Bartlett Building is a popular historic building. Beacon Lofts has super duper location in the Arts District. Biscuit is on the other end of the Arts District. See what else is interesting here for you. Eastern Columbia, people have been asking about that one. That's one of our most popular for high-end historic with lots of character. Okay, and these are some really great buildings. This is most of the best buildings for residential use in downtown Los Angeles. Live, work, residential, and apartments. What else? Higgins is very popular with our clients. And then here's Ostrich Farm is South Pasadena. Skylofts. Textile. It's one of my favorites. Also, my clients like it a lot. All right, so take a look. As I mentioned earlier, a property information packet is available on any loft, condo, or house, or private preview is available upon request. Call 213-880-9910. I'm Corey Chambers in Los Angeles, your real estate broker with NTAR Real Estate and Investment Technologies. Thanks for joining me. I look forward to talking to you again real soon. If you would like to find more videos, anything that's not in here in this list that you would like help with, let me know. If you'd like to see any of these or any other units in the building, or if you'd like to request any particular videos of other units that we don't have yet, do make that request. Here's the contact information again right here. 213-880-9910, or email me at videos@laloftblog.com. videos@laloftblog.com. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.